In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable the BigQuery API and set up billing. So, let's dive right into it and make sure your projects are ready to leverage Google's powerful data warehousing capabilities. First, we'll open a web browser and search for the Google Cloud Console. Once you've typed that into your search bar, you'll need to locate the official Google Cloud Console link. Usually, this is the first result that pops up, and clicking on it will take you directly to the console homepage. Now that you're on the Google Cloud Console, the next step is to either select an existing project or create a new one. Choose one where you want to house your BigQuery resources and, of course, where you will link your billing information. If opting for a new project, make sure to name it something recognizable, especially if you're managing multiple projects. A clear naming convention will help you stay organized as you scale your work. With your project selected, look at the top left corner of the console page. There's a navigation menu, often represented by 3 horizontal lines. Clicking this will open up a myriad of options. Scroll down until you find the section labeled APIs and Services, and from there, select Library. The library is essentially the marketplace for Google's APIs, kind of like an app store for developers. In the library's search bar, type in BigQuery API. As you type, the service should appear quite quickly. Click on it to open the BigQuery API page. Here, you'll see a button labeled Enable. Go ahead and click that to activate the API for your chosen project. Occasionally, Google might prompt you to review and accept some terms of service, so make sure to give those a read and accept them to proceed. With the API enabled, our next task is setting up billing, if it hasn't been linked already. Return to the navigation menu and find the Billing section. If there's no billing account linked to your current project, the console will prompt you to either link an existing billing account or manage your billing accounts. Choose the option that best fits your current setup. Finally, double-check that the billing account linked to your project is active. Also, make sure there's a valid payment method configured. This helps avoid any disruptions in service and ensures that your data operations can run smoothly without unexpected hiccups. And that's it. You've just enabled the BigQuery API and set up billing for your project. You're now ready to start exploring and analyzing data using Google's powerful BigQuery tools. Thanks for tuning in today, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks on getting the most out of Google Cloud.